To begin paper trading in Webull, you first need to download and install the Webull app on your mobile device or access it through the web platform. Once you have the app, create an account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. After setting up your account, navigate to the paper trading section, which is usually found in the menu or under the account settings. Webull offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money, helping you to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. To activate paper trading, you may need to enable it in your account settings or contact Webull support to have it activated for you. Once activated, you will receive a virtual cash balance that you can use to practice trading. When you are ready to start paper trading, search for the stock or other financial instrument you want to trade and click on it to open the detail page. From there, you can place a buy or sell order using the virtual money in your paper trading account. You can choose from different order types, such as market orders, limit orders, or stop-loss orders, depending on your trading strategy. As you place trades, you can monitor your performance in real time, viewing your profit and loss, and adjusting your strategy as needed. Webull also provides various tools and features, such as charts, technical indicators, and news feeds, to help you make informed trading decisions. To get the most out of paper trading in Webull, it is essential to set clear goals and risk management strategies, just as you would with a real trading account. This includes setting position sizes, stop-loss levels, and take-profit targets, and sticking to your plan. Additionally, you can use paper trading to test different trading strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, and evaluate their effectiveness in a risk-free environment. By doing so, you can refine your skills, build confidence, and develop a trading plan that works for you. In conclusion, paper trading in Webull is a valuable tool for traders of all levels, providing a safe and realistic environment to practice trading, test strategies, and improve your skills without risking real money. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Webull, you can make the most out of paper trading and become a more successful trader.